Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you a new Aliexpress haul. It's been a long time that I actually ordered these, but the mail was really slow, but when I got it in, I just dunked it all into one big plastic bag and just kept it to make this video. But first of all, if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and the notification bell if you want to be noted every time I post a new video. But first of all, from the Brings You Beautiful store, I got a pack of 100 nail forms. I've never worked or used nail forms like these before because I usually only work on my own natural nails, but sometimes it's quite handy to have some forms if you want to do some sculpting of like redoing the length of your nail and stuff like that. So those forms were €4.45, and here I'm already showing you the next item I got, which were 500 lint-free wipes, and those were $3.96, and I got those I think from the Full Beauty store at Aliexpress. But let me dunk out all of the other items that were in the plastic bag. This is actually from two different sellers, and I will leave the links to those sellers in the description box as well as in the pinned comments. If you want any direct links, let me know in the comments down below, because sometimes sellers discontinue their products and the links don't work anymore. So that's why I can definitely look it up for you if you have any specific items you would like the links for, and otherwise the links to the sellers are always in the description box as well. But the next item I got were some cuticle removers, which are kind of like hard, rough, not that rough, like kind of sticks that you can remove any dead skin cells from the nail and of course remove your cuticle or excess cuticle. And those were actually only $1.54. Then I got a ton of different foil packs. These were all around €1 towards $1.49 in euros, so really inexpensive as well. I got a couple of different ones. Please don't ask me which ones I got from which store, because I really don't know. I just dunked it all in one big plastic bag once I got them in, but of course the links are in the description box. Oh, and on a side note, I just had to close my window. It's like super hot here in the Netherlands. Now I'm recording this video. There's like a heat wave going on. It's the end of June. This video will go up in about 2 weeks, I guess. So yeah, I just had to close my window because people were making a lot of noise outside and I didn't want any extra noises in this video. But yeah, here I'm just showing you a couple of the foils that I got. These were all different packs, really inexpensive. And these stores where I got the rest of all of the items that I'm showing you right here are either Full Beauty at Aliexpress or Tracy Nail Art and Makeup Beauty at Aliexpress. So once again, I will leave the links in the comment section down below. And all of these foils actually look really cute. I'm not going to unpack and show you every single one. I just chose a couple of different ones because I pretty much love these butterfly ones, but there are so many that I got. Each pack contains at least 10 different foils. These are, I think, all the 4 centimeters by 20 centimeters, so these aren't like the really big ones, not like the 4 by 100 centimeters, which you usually get in those little pots. I actually did get one of those foils in those pots, just one single one, but I will show you that in a little bit. First up, I also got a beautiful pack of water decals, and these are the smaller ones because as you can see, most of my nails, like 6 out of the 10 nails at the moment, or at least when I recorded this, were quite short, or at least for me they were very short. So yeah, I really love to have some shorter or like smaller water decals in my collection as well, and these are all quite florally, really cute, really versatile as well. You can mix them up with a lot of different colors. You can do any like acrylic designs or gel designs or even regular nail polishes, which I tend to use the most when I use any water decals. So yeah, you can get a lot of different effects and designs with those. But the water decal pack was €1.83 or something like that. It wasn't super expensive. It was below €2, and I think there were like 50 or even 60 sheets in there. But next up, I also got 3 little sheets of butterfly stickers. As you might have seen in my previous Aliexpress haul, I'm a little bit obsessed over those butterfly nails and those stickers and just really cute embellishments. And I got these 3, I think they were like 70 cents in euros each, which is really affordable because you get a ton of stickers on them, or at least on each sheet, and you can cut them in half as well if you feel like they're still a little bit too big for your nails. Especially if you have shorter nails, you can just definitely just reuse them, just cut them in half and you have the double amount of stickers. But yeah, here is that little pot of foil that I meant or that I mentioned a little earlier in this video. This one is the 4 by 100 centimeters, so this will last me forever. I really love how this one looks. It's a beautiful like azure blue kind of marble effect. They had a ton of different colors, so I might get some other colors from this particular line as well, because they were really inexpensive, and yeah, they're just really cute. I think I bought it for 70 cents as well. Then I also got a bunch of different like chains that you can actually use on the nail. You can just cut them off or up in the length as you wish. You can do like cute little borders surrounding on the edges of the nails. Just put some gems in the middle and you're good to go. It's like really cute. And there were a lot to choose from as well. These chains I got for around €1.80 or €1.90 per pack. So you get like 5 or 6 different ones in a pack. You can just cut the packaging open and just put them in like little pill boxes or something like that if you don't want to store them in their original packaging. I feel like these are more handy to just store them in some pill boxes or other like acrylic containers or something. Because I'm sure I'm going to lose them if I just put them or keep them in their original packaging, because it will go everywhere. That's like some self-knowledge here. I'm sure it will get lost in the rest of the huge nail art supply amount that I have. Like, my collection is huge. I'm actually thinking of doing a new nail polish or nail art collection video, because there's a lot more added since I did my video last year, which was in June 2019. But yeah, this little pot that I just quickly showed you here has beautiful iridescent like sparkles in there. I think that one was about 50 cents, maybe even less expensive, but it was separate from the other 7 pots that I got. Again, I'm not sure from what seller exactly that I got these. I think I got these from the Tracy Nail Art and Makeup Beauty store, but like, don't pinpoint me on this because I'm just not sure anymore. But once again, the links will be in the description box and the pinned comments. But I got a couple of cute heart-shaped glitter ones. They're just really gorgeous. I also got like a mixed glitter set with like tinsel glitter and just hexagon shapes and different shapes and sizes of glitter. These are very iridescent, kind of like fairy like colors. Like these in glitters, like very iridescent and translucent, always remind me of fairies for some reason. But I also got some black heart ones, which are really nice. They are very holographic, and all of these little pots that I'm showing you right here were about 47 to 49 cents each, which is really inexpensive. You can use them with regular nail polishes, you can encapsulate them with gel polish or acrylics. They are very versatile. And of course, sometimes you can use them in like some craft designs as well. If you're like a really creative person, like I used to do paintings with nail polish, and I used a lot of my nail art glitters in that as well, which is a lot of fun to do, by the way. I'm quite a artsy person. I love to do paintings, do my nails, stuff like that. And yeah, I think glitters like these, you can use them for so many other things. Just throw them on the nails. You can just do some really cute designs in like small paintings or anything like that. So yeah, that's just a little side note. But I really love this pot, by the way. It has a ton of different shaped or sized stars in there and like sparkles, which is really cute. And then this last one already covered me with a lot of glitters. There was like glitter all over my pants. It was all over the place, but that's okay, you know. I'm used to being covered in glitter. And this one is kind of similar to the translucent opalescent one that reminded me of fairies, but this one is just silver holographic. So there's tinsel glitter, regular glitter, hexagon glitter, different shapes and sizes. So yeah, I really love those. But to finish off the glitters, I also got like a box full of round glitters, which reminds me of like the 70s era. I really love that. There are like a lot of like cut out little circular thingies. They're just really cute, and I've seen a lot of other nail YouTubers actually use these in acrylic sets, and they looked so pretty. You guys know me, I personally don't use acrylics. I've never done acrylics in my life, but you can definitely do some cute sets on your own nails as well, no matter the length or anything like that. You can always use nail art supplies, even though most like nail art YouTubers work on fake nails, acrylic nails, tips and so on, and usually go for a very long length, but you can do nail art on really short nails as well, trust me. Then I also got 12 pots of beautiful pieces of shell in different shapes, sizes and colors. For me personally, the sizes in here are a little bit too big, especially on my nails right now. My nails are quite short, especially on my right hand. So if I'm going to use these, I will definitely do it with gel polish because I can encapsulate them way better. But you can just definitely break them apart in smaller pieces and use them like that. Those shells were $7.99 for 12 pots, but I also got 2 bags of different AB crystals, and those were around $1.50 towards €2. So I got an SS3 as well as an SS16 that I just showed you, and there are like a lot of them in here, like over 1,400. Which is pretty cool if you ask me. But to finish off this entire haul video, I also got some really cute heart-shaped gems. And I have had some heart-shaped gems or bigger gems in my collection with like the pointy bags, which are a little bit harder to use on natural nails if you don't use acrylics to really adhere them in or set them in. But these have a flat back, so they're a little bit easier to use. So I've got 3 different ones, and yeah, I can't wait to actually use these in some of my designs because I love to use a lot of bling, gems, glitter. You guys know me. But these little heart-shaped gems were 75 cents a bag. And I'm definitely going to check out and see if they have some other colors as well that I might like to add to my collection. But this was my entire new AliExpress haul. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. And as usual, I love you so much and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.